Good morning everyone, this is Alvin right here in front of Golden Mile Complex. I found out the one reason why they're closing this place down. All you have to do is just go down a little bit further. And this is not Golden Mile Complex. It's like I stepped into a portal. This looks like Bangkok to me. Welcome to another sketch travel series. We're here in the Land of Smiles, also known as Thailand. Actually, it's more of land of street food for me. So do join me in the next few days as I re-explore the area and meet up with friends also to make a lot of sketches. Waiting for a train, never thought that I would be back on with a mask. It's not mandatory, but everyone here does it. So when in Rome, yeah. Hey folks, we're right here in the heart of the shopping district in Bangkok. I'm gonna meet some of my friends, really old friends. I've not seen them in about 30 years. They are not sketchers. So looking forward to the catch up. Okay, this is Ratapol, my old buddy from long time ago, and we're having boat noodles from Tong Smith. We're waiting for someone else, so stay tuned. Nook and Bank are friends of mine since primary school. We used to compete in sports a long time ago. Nook and Bank went on to be legends in Thailand. It is strange how these two were closer to me than my classmates in Singapore because I saw these guys at least 3 times a year. Unlike school, where your classmates would change every now and then, and we were all like-minded kiddos. Bank introduced me to Bangkok traffic right in the center of the city during midday. Nothing moves. It's probably faster walking. He told me that everything was done in the car when he was growing up, having breakfast, studying, lunches. We spent time in the car, catching up and looking through an old album of his. After picking up the kids, we met up with Go, another old friend, for coffee because he couldn't make it earlier. It was a pleasant catch-up since it's been over 30 years. I even spent some time visiting Bank's mom. So great, she still remembers me. We decided to head for dinner at Go's mother-in-law's restaurant. A short walk through the sub-district of Klong Te Nue, we arrived at Suda restaurant, named after the owner, his mother-in-law. This restaurant is popular with the local lunchtime crowd during the day and is packed with expats in the evenings. I've always remembered this magic from this bottle, and we're gonna watch it happen right now. What sorcery is this? I'm sure you can find out a scientific explanation for this on another YouTube channel. But for now, I'll make a quick sketch of the pandan chicken. And it's time to eat. It's been a full day out. Time to head back and get ready for the next day. Hey everyone, you're with me, Alvin Mark, and we are here in Chinatown, Bangkok. I didn't have to venture far before the first eatery popped up on my radar. And I wasn't gonna go through Bangkok's top 20 food vendors because it's already been done. I was gonna explore Bangkok on my own and try out things that the locals would like. That's part of what I love most doing when I visit another culture, trying to blend in. I found this fishball noodle joint about 3 minutes away. I decided to make a sketch there, and when I was done, another bowl of noodles. So good. Sticky rice looks really good. A lot of people standing in line. Many people, so let's try this tofu shop. Wow, it even has clouds. It's tofu dessert time here at the tofu factory. I must be in heaven. It's time to cool off with some grass jelly, longans, and mochi balls in shaved ice. Since we have a little extra time, I'm gonna check into the place that I'm staying in called Live Local Yaowarat. It gives me a good excuse to put my things down and cool off a little. And here we are. This is the first look of my humble boat. Yeah, actually this sleeps too, but it's just me. Nice. The fridge is good if I'm buying fruit. This is the shower area. And I love these. Paying homage to old cinema, and this is the toilet. Yes, it is. Wow, look at that. Very classy. The green. Look at the tiles. Wow. So this will be my studio for the next couple of days here in Bangkok, and we're right in the heart of Chinatown, so stay tuned for all those sketches coming right up. This is Alvin Mark, you're on the Art Channel. I hope you enjoyed seeing that. What a very inviting space for me. I'm hungry again and will head to yet another fishball noodle place. This one is right outside the Li Ti Mu Shrine and just across the street. And yes, it's authentic street food style. The noodles in my broth is pink. And why is it pink? It gets its pink color from the red fermented bean curd, the bird's eye chilies, and the Thai sriracha sauce. The sauce itself is a beautiful alizarin crimson red, but when combined with the pork broth, the red transforms right before your eyes into a pink color. And the noodles also comes with a cube of pig's blood, an ingredient that cannot be found in Singapore. Another delicious meal at 50 baht. Just a block away is the main street of Chinatown, Bangkok. It is packed with shopping and food. I would eat something from here. So after the barbecued octopus, it's time for a Thai favorite, pad Thai, but wrapped in an omelette. Again, another satisfying meal. Just shows how you cannot go wrong here in Thailand where food is concerned.
This might be different when it comes to Thai massage. There are a few on this strip here at the Padong Dao Road. I went into the one with the most number of customers and the one that is brightly lit. Just to note that it is customary here to tip the massage therapist on top of the 250 baht. The session was really good and I would head back here again anytime. Well folks, it's time to head back to upload all these clips and time lapses and of course have a shower. I hope you enjoyed this intro to Bangkok episode. The last time I was in Bangkok in 2016, I still had not started making YouTube videos. I'll be here for the next few days, so stay tuned for the next episode. This is the Alvin Art channel. We are here in Bangkok, Thailand. I hope you are enjoying the sights and sketches. Just a quick thought. Is there an old friend you'd like to meet up or catch up with? Continue to be well, stay creative, and until the next episode, ciao ciao.